Yes. Hello everybody. These many days your Shilpa ma'am was handling mathematics class, isn't it, for 5th standard. For time being, I am going to continue with the topic what she has done. That is, in today's class we shall discuss about the multiplication of fractions. Yes, dear students, we will be having a different situation. Yes, you all know about whole number, isn't it? Fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Like this you have some idea about different fractions, isn't it? How to multiply a fraction with a whole number, how to multiply a fraction with a fraction, how to multiply a fraction with a mixed fraction. These many things I am going to discuss today in our session, in this session. Okay. See, I am not going to explain it separately. Whenever I get a situation to simplify a fraction by a whole number, I will tell you, I will note it. Whenever I get a situation like multiplying a fraction with a fraction, it's very simple, so no need of noticing it also, you can do it as it is. And whenever you get a fraction to multiply with a mixed fraction, at that moment again you have to note it very clearly what steps should be done. So these many things we are going to discuss it today. Yes, dear students, for example, a fraction to be multiplied with a whole number, what must be done? Example, 2 by 3 is a fraction to be multiplied with 5 is a whole number. What you have to do? You have to convert that whole number in the form of improper fraction. Yes, what is meant by improper fraction? The numerator is greater than the denominator, then we can say that it is an improper fraction. So 2 by 3 you have to keep it as it is, into 5 can be written as 5 by 1. I think you have already learnt this in your previous classes, isn't it? So 5 by 1. Then what must be done here? The numerator and numerator should be multiplied and denominator should be multiplied. See here, numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. This must be done. So 2 5s are 10 divided by 3 1s are 3. This 10 by 3 is improper. 10 by 3 is improper. This no, whenever you keep the solution in the improper, it is compulsory thing you need to convert that in a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction ge convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Improper ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that must be converted to mixed fraction. See here, 10 divided by 3, since 10 is the numerator greater than the denominator, that is 3, it is improper fraction. So that improper fraction should be converted to mixed fraction while keeping answer, I mean solution. That is, how to do that one? 3, it is 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 is the remainder. I have to represent this division in the form of a mixed fraction. What must be done? The quotient what you will get, no, that is whole number part, whole part, that is, okay. The quotient what you will get, that should be written here, 3, it's a whole number. The remainder what you got, that should be written in the numerator. The divisor always remains the same, that is 3 is a remainder that can be written in the denominator. 3 1 by 3, we pronounce it like this, 3 1 by 3. That means 3 full part is there and 1/3 of the part is left out, like that. Okay, 3 1 by 3. 10 by 3 will be equal to 3 1 by 3. This is the solution. So keep this in mind. Whenever you get the solution in improper fraction, you need to convert that in a mixed fraction. Hope you understood, dear students. Yes. The next thing is example 1. This is a fraction with a whole number. So example 2, 4 by 7 into 5 by 9. We need to multiply these two fractions. That means multiplication of fraction by a fraction. What we have to do this? What we have to do at this time? So that means I have already told the method. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators and keep the answer. That is 4 into 5 divided by 7 into 9. So 4 5s are 20 divided by 7 9s are 63. 20 by 63 is a proper fraction since we have a lesser numerator than the denominator. So at this moment you can keep the answer as it is, but you will find some more problems like this. Example 3. 3 2 by 9, okay, into 27 by 4. At this moment what we have to do? Here it is a mixed fraction and 27 by 4 is a improper fraction. What you need to do? A mixed fraction should be converted into improper in order to simplify these two fractions. First point, mixed fraction should be converted to its improper fraction to multiply with 27 by 4. Clear? So how to do this one? Check out clearly. Steps ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. Step 1, multiply the denominator and whole number part, that is 9 into 3, or else in single step only what? Single step only we shall keep it, that is 9 into 3 plus numerator. So that is, if I want to write it in a symbolic form, denominator into whole number plus numerator whole divided by denominator. This is a symbolic representation of this step. Keep this in mind. It's all shortcut, you keep it in your mind, that's it. So let us try. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2 is 29 divided by 9 into 27 by 4. This you need to multiply. But I have told you, multiply numerator and numerator, multiply denominator and denominator, keep the answer. But in order to simplify our solution, in order to reduce the number of steps, what you have to do is, here 9 and 27, both one in numerator, one in denominator. Whenever you find situation like this, numerator and denominator alli separate agi namge numbers sikkaga. Don't do with numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator beda. One numerator and one denominator number alli common factor idre. Yes, 9 and 27 both comes in a same table. 9 3s are 27. So at that time you can reduce it. 9 1s are 9 3s are. So now what you have to do is, 29 is remainder here, into 3 you have to take, divided by 1 into 4. 1 into 4. So that is equal to 29 3s are how much? 87. 29 3s are 87 divided by 4. 87 divided by 4 is an improper fraction. As I told you, in order to keep the answer at last, you have to convert that in a mixed fraction. That is 87 by 4 is there, no? You have to convert that in a mixed fraction. How to convert that one? 87. Simply divide 87 by 4. Okay. 4 2s are 8, 0, take this 7 down, 4 1s are 4, remainder is 3. So at that time what you have to do, as I told you, quotient 21 is in a whole number place, 21, the remainder should be in the numerator and 4 remains as it is. 21 3 by 4 is your answer. Hope everybody understood. These are the different situations of multiplications of fractions, with one whole number, with a mixed fraction, with a fraction. Okay, so dear students, keep all these things in your mind to simplify the problems in the exercise. Okay, let us go with some exercise problems to understand it very clearly. Okay. Yes, dear students, let me take a problem from example. Okay, so example 2. In the example 3, the product of, find the product of. Find the product of 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 8. We need to multiply these three fractions. Okay, what do you have to do? One by 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 by 8. So dear students, recall the concept what we have discussed in our previous explanation. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Whenever we need to multiply the fractions, what I said, you need to multiply all the numerators and we need to multiply all the denominators and keep the answer. If the answer is in improper fraction, you can convert that in mixed fraction. Clear? So 1 into 3 into 5 divided by 2 into 4 into 8. So do we have any common factors on both numerator and denominator? Just check. 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 8. We don't have any connection between numerator and denominator. So at that moment you just multiply and keep the answer. 1 3s are 3, 3 5s are 15 divided by 2 4s are 8, 8 8s are 64. 15 by 64 is your answer. Okay, so you can multiply 3 or more fractions together. Understood? So one more problem let me take from exercise 4K. Exercise 4K. So the problem is 10 7 by 8. This is a problem. 27th problem. That is 10 7 by 8 into 2 1 by 24. So the question is very clear. So dear students, as I told you, what must be done in such situation? What should be done in such situation? Both the fractions are a mixed fraction. You need to convert that in a improper fraction, isn't it? So let me try that with the direct method. I'm not going to use all those steps in the working column there. 8 10s are 80. 80 plus 7, that is 87. 87 divided by the same old denominator 8 into 24 2s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 by 24. So dear students, as I told you before, you need to check on both numerator and denominator to find the common factor. Do we have a common factor on both numerator and denominator? Let me check. 87 and 24 both comes in the same table. Which table it is? Which table is that? 3 table. Let me check. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6, 27 is there, 9s are. So 29 into 49 divided by 8 into 8. We need to multiply this 29 into 49 directly. So have a working column, that is 49 into 29. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 4s are 32, 32 plus 8, 40. Okay, sorry, 36. 9 9s are 81, 8 carry, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 8, 44, plus 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 1, 4 plus 8 is 12, 1 carry, that is 14, 1 4 2 1 in the numerator, 1 4 2 1 in the denominator, 8 8s are 64. So now the numerator is greater, the denominator is lesser, so it is improper fraction. So you need to convert that in mixed fraction. Divide it 1421 by 64, you will get clearly, that is 2213 by 64. 2213 by 64. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, as I told you in a previous explanation, the same procedure should be done. What should be the whole number, what should be the numerator, and what should be the denominator. Keep this in mind, denominator remains same all the time. Okay, dear students, based on these explanation, you simplify exercise 4K all the questions. That is 1 to 28 problems are there. So 27th problem I have done, remaining 27 problems you have to do it yourself. Clear, dear students? It's a very simple problems, so try to solve all the problems without fail. Clear? Yes.